In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find images inside Miro and how to bring in your own files from your computer, from a link, or from cloud storage so you can make your boards more visual and easier to understand. Start by signing into your Miro account and opening the board where you want the image to live. You can use an existing board or create a new one if you prefer a clean slate. Take a moment to zoom to the area where you plan to place the image so it lands right where you need it. This also helps keep your board organized, especially if you're collaborating with others in real time. On the left-hand toolbar, click the plus icon labeled Create. This opens a panel of content types. Scroll down to the media section and look for images and icons. Here, you can browse and add stock images to your board without leaving Miro. Use the search field to find relevant visuals, then click an image to place it on the canvas. Once it appears, you can drag it to reposition, use the corner handles to resize and rotate it if needed. Try to keep images consistent in size and alignment for a clean, professional look. If you're assembling a set of visuals, place them inside a frame to keep everything grouped and easy to navigate. If you want to upload your own images, like screenshots, product photos, or diagrams, choose Upload from the same Create panel. You'll see three options. Select My Device to browse your computer and pick a file. Choose URL to paste a direct image link, which is handy when a file is hosted online. Or select Cloud Storage to connect services like Google Drive or Dropbox. The first time you do this, you may be asked to authorize access. After your image imports, it appears on your board, ready to move and resize. For best results, use common formats like PNG or JPEG and aim for clear, high-resolution files that won't look blurry when you zoom in. If the image needs minor tweaks, select it to reveal quick controls and consider locking the image once it's in place so it doesn't get moved during collaboration. That's it. Open your board, use the Create menu to find stock visuals, or upload your own from your device, a URL, or the cloud. With a few clicks, your Miro board becomes more expressive, informative, and engaging.